Solved problems. Recording journal entries for manufacturing account. Problem. Enter the journal entries in the yellow. 1. Purchase 250,000 raw materials on account. 2. Requisition 100,000 direct materials and use in job 777. 3. Incur 75,000 direct labor on job 777. 4. Post 85,000 electricity invoice. 5. Post 2,000 office supplies invoice. 6. Post 100,000 depreciation for the month. 7. Post 200,000 indirect labor. 8. Post 200,000 repairs on equipment. The month ends. There was only one job and it was worked on for the entire 720 run hours. Therefore, all of overhead applied goes to job 777. If there were other jobs, overhead applied would be split between the jobs based on hours. 9. Apply manufacturing overhead to jobs 720 run hours into 825 per hour, 594,000. 10. Zero out remaining manufacturing overhead control account. Job costing sheet January 21. Fill in the yellow boxes. Job costing sheet. Job 777. Customer ID 5734. Customer name Johnson Controls Inc. Customer PO number 432761. Direct materials 152021. Fasteners dash. Direct labor 1152021. Labor dash. Manufacturing overhead 1312021. Applied dash. Totals direct material dash. Direct labor dash. Manufacturing overhead dash. Total this job dash. This should equal work in process for the job. Solution. Journal entries. 1. Purchase 250,000 raw materials on account. Work in process raw materials 250,000 debit. Accounts payable 250,000 credit. 2. Requisition 100,000 direct materials and use in job 777. Job 777 cost sheet raw materials debit 100,000. Work in process raw materials credit 100,000. 3. Incur 75,000 direct labor on job 777. Job 777 cost sheet direct labor debit 75,000. Accrued direct labor cost 75,000. 4. Post 85,000 electricity invoice. Manufacturing overhead control account debit 85,000. Accrued overhead electricity 85,000 credit. 5. Post 2,000 office supplies invoice. Manufacturing overhead control account debit 2,000. Accrued overhead office supplies credit 2,000. 6. Post 100,000 depreciation for the month. Manufacturing overhead control account debit 100,000. Accumulated depreciation credit 100,000. 7. Post 200,000 indirect labor. Manufacturing overhead control account debit 200,000. Accrued overhead indirect labor account credit 200,000. 8. Post 200,000 repairs on equipment. Manufacturing overhead control account debit 200,000. Accrued overhead repairs 200,000. The month ends. 9. Apply manufacturing overhead to jobs. Job 777 cost sheet. Manufacturing overheads debit 594,000. Manufacturing overhead control account credit 594,000. 10. Zero out remaining manufacturing overhead control. Manufacturing overhead control account debit 7,000. Job 777 cost sheet. Manufacturing overhead 7,000. This 7,000 comes after we prepare the manufacturing overhead control account and balance it. Manufacturing overhead control account. Journal entry number 4 85,000. 5 2,000. 6 100,000. 7 200,000. 8 200,000. 9 credit 594,000. Balance 7,000. Total debits 594,000. Total credits 594,000. Work in process account. Journal entry number 2 100,000. 3 75,000. 9 594,000. Total work in process is 769,000. Job costing sheet January 21. Fill in the yellow boxes. Job costing sheet. Job 777. Customer ID 5734. Customer name Johnson Controls Inc. Customer PO number 432761. Direct materials 152021. Fasteners 100,000. Direct labor 1152021. Labor 75,000. Manufacturing overhead 1312021. Applied 594,000. Totals: direct materials 100,000. Direct labor 75,000. Manufacturing overhead 594,000. Total this job 769,000. This should equal to work in process for this job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.